Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pelemon, and today we'll be looking at 5 SEO situations where you need to act immediately. In SEO, patience is important, but there are certain situations where waiting is the worst thing you can do. Some issues require immediate action, or you could end up losing everything: your rankings, your traffic, and even your revenue. In this lesson, we'll break down 5 situations where speed matters and why delaying can cost you. Situation number one: sudden site wide traffic drop. If your entire website loses traffic, that's a red flag. This could be caused by technical issues, indexing problems, or major algorithm changes. The keyword here is sudden. If traffic drops sharply across multiple pages, you need to investigate immediately. Waiting can mean you lose revenue or you lose rankings that are harder to recover. Technical issues could be issues that will make your site more unbearable to operate, and that would mean that more people drop off your website, and could be what is causing. And if people drop off your website, that might affect your rankings, and then a drop in rankings will affect your traffic, and then a drop in traffic will affect your revenue. Next, pages that are de-indexed or not showing in search. If important pages disappear from search results or are no longer indexed, that's urgent. Probable causes are accidental no index tags, robots.txt blocking something that it's not supposed to be blocking, or again, technical errors. If search engines like Google can't see your pages, they can't rank them. This is not something to monitor, it is something to fix immediately. Situation number three: critical technical errors. Some technical errors can break your entire SEO performance. Site downtime. If you see your site is down, you need to fix that immediately. Server errors. Then we have broken redirects. If your site is supposed to go from one site to another site and that redirect breaks, that means a lot of the people are going to either an old site or a broken site, which means that you are losing traffic on the site that is supposed to be the end destination. And then you have HTTPS issues, another big problem, because nobody wants to be on an insecure site, and Google doesn't want to rank a site that is also not secure. These things directly impact your crawlability and also your user experience. The longer they exist, the more damage that they do. Situation number four: if a ranking page suddenly drops after a change, you need to act fast. Most common causes are title or content changes, URL changes, or also internal link removal. Maybe there is a very important internal link to that page that is no longer there, and that will cause a drop. The faster you identify and revert the issue, the easier it is to recover. Waiting can make the drop harder to reverse. Situation number five: manual actions or penalties. If you receive a manual action, this could be due to unnatural backlinks, spammy content, or guideline violations. Ignoring it means that you may stay suppressed in search. These issues may require immediate review, corrective action, and reconsideration requests. Just to look at a few corrective actions. If you have unnatural backlinks, the thing to do is investigate, make sure that's the case, and then start disavowing the link systematically. Or if it's spammy content, obviously you need to redo your content. If it's a guideline violation, you need to investigate what specific guidelines were violated and then fix the issue. Now, why does speed matter in these cases? In all these situations, time plays a crucial role because the longer the issue exists, the more signals are affected and the harder recovery becomes. SEO systems react over time, and so should you. Quick action limits damage. The key takeaway is for you to know when to move fast. Good SEO is about balance. Sometimes you wait, sometimes you act fast. The difference is knowing which situations are critical. If the issue affects visibility, indexing, or site health, you don't wait, you act immediately. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.